So let's explore this idea. What if the money we use is fundamentally flawed?
It's described as a trap, one that just makes the rich richer and the poor poorer. To get this, we gotta ask a basic question. What actually gives money its value? Okay, so the first type has what's called intrinsic value. The value is in the thing itself. And this whole idea is the foundation for what the source calls Sunnah Money. Things like gold, silver, even dates and salt, they were used as money because they had real intrinsic value. Now, on the flip side, modern money doesn't have that. Its value comes from an outside source. So you can see the big differences here in value, stability, and even religious permissibility. And this diminishing value, the source claims it just eats away at your wealth over time. So what once bought a camel, well, eventually it can barely get you chicken and chips. That's inflation. And the source points to this Quranic passage saying this loss of value is actually forbidden. So how did we get to this point? Well, the timeline is pretty revealing. You see, over time, our money got more and more disconnected from anything real or tangible. And the result? According to the source, it's a fraudulent system built on debt and control. The source even predicts the collapse of paper money is, well, it's just around the corner. The future it predicts? Money becomes totally abstract, just data, nothing you can actually hold. Which brings up a pretty big question for all of us about how we store our own wealth. So, as paper money collapses, the source leaves us with this. What will you have as money then?